This application video provides step-by-step guidance on how to cable the Brocade 8510-4 switch using PanMPO and LC Duplex push-pull cabling. As you will see, connecting the cabling from the switch to enclosure is simple. The PanMPO cables simply are connected from the MPO port on the HD Flex enclosure to the MPO port on the transceiver within the QSFP port on the switch. The LC Duplex push-pull cables simply are connected from the LC port on the HD Flex enclosure to the LC port on the transceiver within the SFP Plus port on the switch. Pull out the HD Flex tray from the Flex 4RU enclosure. Next, install the LC Duplex push-pull fiber cables. Remember to use the attached cable management. Repeat the process for the cables on the left side of the enclosure. Once the cables are installed, make sure the cables are dressed both in the attached cable management and in the cable management fingers installed in the cabinet. Make sure when dressing the cables to attach with tack tie hook and loop cable ties to the vertical in-cabinet cable manager. We hope this video has provided you with helpful tips and guidance for installing this switch. For more information, please visit our website listed here.